I just want to have a brief honor to all the invitees to this occasion. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of the Igbo Women Progressive Union, Galway, I want to thank you all for honoring this invitation once again. Without a wasting of your time, I would like to go straight to the point. We are proud to be the first group to emerge among the various ethnic groups in Galway, in Nigeria today in Galway. Our main aim is to showcase our cultural through dance, music, also an opportunity to dress in our traditional attires. And also very importantly, support one another as well as respond to various charities. According to Claude Bernard, the joy of discovery is certainly the liveliest that the mind can ever feel. This is not to say that the association is without its challenges, but as many Nigerians here would agree that the Igbos are very resilient people. As Obama is my role model, I say yes we can. At the moment, we are working on introducing Igbo classes for our children. This is to ensure that the Igbo language is not forgotten by our children here. Finally, I want to correct our impression here. This women group is not all about priorities, but about holding our cultural heritage. So please, I want to ask our men to encourage their wives to join the association, and I promise they will not regret it.
Madam One, Chair Lady, please, as we are proceeding, if you look on the item 7, the Chamber Group will be entertaining everybody specially, but we want to join these two together. As they are giving us entertainment, I want our women, please, whatever is in that dish there, the buffet you prepared, give it to people. Because I think something in the stomach is already telling so many people, please, what is there? What